I thank the member, and I call the member for Hughes.
Thank you. During the recent election campaigns, I came across several constituents that made the assertion that climate change was causing more weather-related damage, more damage from tropical storms, bushfires, floods and the like, Deputy Speaker. However, these claims are totally debunked in a peer-reviewed research paper titled Normalised Insurance Losses from Australian Natural Disasters 1966 to 2007 by researchers from Macquarie University and the University of Colorado in the USA. And this was published on the 24th of April 2019 in the journal titled Environmental Hazards. Now, firstly, the study noted that, in which I quote, "There is a broad agreement in the scientific literature and assessments by the Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change that there is little evidence that insurance or economic losses arising from natural disasters are becoming more costly because of climate change." That is the IPCC's official position. Now, what they said of the Australian data, and I quote, "There is no trend in normalised losses from weather-related perils." That's bushfires, tropical cyclones, floods or severe storms. In other words, after we normalise for changes that we know have taken place, no residual signal remains to be explained by the changes in occurrence of extreme weather events, regardless of the cause. End quote. They also noted, and again, quoting directly from the peer-reviewed research, for tropical cyclones, there is a clear reduction in losses observed over time, which is consistent with a declining number of landfalling cyclones observed since the late 1890s on the eastern seaboard south of Cairns. They also noted in the year 1966, 53 years ago, that was actually the most destructive year in Australia's history, recorded history, Deputy Speaker, of weather events. So what we have, Deputy Speaker, let's be very clear what's happening. We want people that say they want to go back to have CO2 levels like they were in 1966 to stop the type of extreme weather events that we had in 1966. We have to be guided by the science, the data and the peer-reviewed evidence, Deputy Speaker, and they totally debunked any claim that there is an increase in more weather damage in Australia.